Hello, my name is Lindsey Kooistra, and today at drchrono, I'm going to demonstrate how to build procedures in a fee schedule and then how to enter billing codes on an appointment. I'm going to start by logging into my account. Then I'll access the fee schedule by going to Billing and then Fee Schedule. Now here you'll see a list of procedures that I've already built into my fee schedule. To add a new procedure, I will click Add New. Now you'll have the ability to import your fee schedules, but I'm just going to show you the simple steps to manually add a procedure and assign its price. I'll start by entering the code. This is the CPT code of a standard office visit procedure. And you'll see when I enter the CPT code, the description of the code comes up automatically. I'll enter my base price of $60, a code type of CPT, and down in this payer ID field, if I wanted to use the $60 price only for a certain payer, I could enter the ID of that payer here. But because I want to use the $60 as my default price, I'm going to leave this blank and it will be used for all payers. I am, however, going to add a pick list category description of E&M, which is the pick list category I've been using for all of my evaluation and management codes. Now, by assigning a pick list, I am able to easily filter on a specific type of code, such as my evaluation and management codes, and see all of those procedures listed here. Now, this is very useful for easy lookup when you are trying to enter a code in an appointment. You'll also notice that I have the 99201 procedure listed twice. And the reason for this is that I have a special contracted price with the payer Aetna. So by listing it twice, and once with a payer of Aetna specified and a different price, I am able to send Aetna claims for $45 on this procedure when the patient's insurance is Aetna, while all other insurance carriers would receive the price of $50. Now that we've added a procedure to our fee schedule, I'm going to open up a clinical note for a patient and document billing codes on an appointment. So we'll go to Clinical, and then Clinical Notes. And the patient I'm going to be documenting on is Harry Potter. So to start documenting his clinical note, I'll click Start Note. And while documenting on a patient, you can easily navigate through the sections of your clinical note using these headers. You'll see room for the vitals, also sections for the medications and allergies, notes from the physical exam, as well as my assessment and plan. But since we are just entering some billing codes for this appointment, I'm going to select the billing navigator. Now here is where I can enter my diagnosis codes. You'll see that Harry came in for headaches that he is suffering around the scar on his forehead. So I am going to diagnose him with migraines. Now if you don't know the specific code that you'd like to enter, you could just search based on the description, but I already have my code, so I'll enter that. And I'm also going to enter a general routine medical examination diagnosis because I did some just general examining of Harry while he was in the office. Next, I'm going to enter the CPT code that we just built into our fee schedule. And you'll see our price of $60. And you'll also notice that the CPT code was automatically associated with the first diagnosis here. Now, to also associate the routine medical examination as a second diagnosis, I will change this 1 or this 0 to a 2. Now this denotes that this CPT code is associated with both the first and second diagnosis. Now I will click View Complete Note to save the information I've entered into the note, and this also shows me a PDF view of the note. But here you'll see it only has the diagnosis and CPT code information that we just entered. Lastly, I'm going to return to my schedule to open the appointment and show you the charges posted to the account. So from my schedule view, I am able to scroll through appointments for the day, and I see Harry's appointment Double click and we'll navigate to the billing, and here you will see the CPT code charge that we've entered, as well as the 2 diagnosis codes that are still associated and priced as we set them in the fee schedule. Thank you for joining me on this demonstration, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us from the support button at the bottom of your screen. Have a great day.